understanding their way of lives, exploring their cultures, and accepting their uniqueness have not only become a part of international politics today, but have given birth to a new dimension in education, that is, the concept of global citizenship. It highlights the core of human activities by insisting on the fact that humans belong to the world as a whole before belonging to different countries. International School Awards (ISA) is aimed at encouraging those efforts at local education sectors that stress on applying international dimension to their curriculum roots. This helps young children broaden their perspectives and discover their passion before deciding on their aims for the future.
Good morning, dear teachers and students. We have gathered here today to do our activities. We are studying many things in the class, but now we are going to do things in practice. It is an organization, British Council International School Award, and we have to make 7 projects. Accordingly, class 7 will make one project on local resources.
A student of me has a meaningful insight to share about a collaborative project.
This is a nationally collaborative project called Locally Available Resources done with Technical School. I perform making Duna and Tapari. I'm here in the jungle for plucking with leaves. I did this project in my school. First of all, I prepared Duna and Tapari, and from this project I learned about how to make local goods by using local things. Thank you.